legends of Tahiti are here. We begin with Hina and the Eel. At 16, Princess Hina was betrothed to Fa'arawa'aianu'u, a monstrous eel king of Lake Vaihiria. Terrified, she fled to Vaira'o, where Maui protected her with 2 stone tiki, caught the eel, and cut it into 3 pieces. He gave Hina the head, wrapped in tapa, instructing her not to place it on the ground until reaching her marae, promising treasures. Hina forgot, placed it on the grass to bathe, and the earth swallowed it. A coconut palm grew there, its fruit offering sweet water with 3 spots marking the eel's eyes and mouth. The Vaihiria River traces the eel's pursuit of Hina. To drink a coconut the Hina way is to savor a royal kiss once denied. We continue on to Terehe and Te Tuna, where long ago, Hawaii Nui, Raiatea and Taha'a was one landmass. During a sacred marae's construction, a strict tapu banned noise and movement. Terehe, a royal woman, broke the tapu by bathing in a river. Angered, the gods sent a giant eel, Te Tuna Nui, which swallowed her. Terehe's spirit caused the eel to thrash, splitting Hawaii Nui into Raiatea and Taha'a. The eel became a giant fish, Taiti Nui, and swam eastward. Herotawai used a sacred axe to sever its tendons, forming the Taravao Isthmus, stabilizing Tahiti. The fish became Tahiti, Orohena as its first dorsal fin, Tahiti Iti and Moorea as the second, and Mehetia and Tetiaroa as its expressions. Our final legend is of Maui. Maui Mua and his fleet sailed across the Pacific, building marae on islands but struggling to finish before nightfall. Frustrated, Maui Mua tied the sun's rays to a cliff, allowing time to complete a marae. To address ongoing short days, Maui, angered by his mother Vahea's pain from undercooked food, wove ropes from coconut, ficus, hibiscus, and his sister Hina's hair. At dawn, from his Tahiti cave, he lassoed the sun, securing it to a rock by the Vavi River. Despite the sun's struggle, only Hina's hair held. Maui demanded a slower pace. The sun agreed, ensuring longer days for cooking and building. Maui freed it, leaving Maui's bonds visible in the sun's rays. These are your Tahitian legends. Watch closely as we bring them to life.